Welcome, students. Welcome to my live class. Today, I want to share with you the optional math. Now, this is for the beginners. This is for the basic level one, okay? And how to solve the question related to trigonometry. Okay, some of the questions will be shared today here. I hope it will be very, very helpful for the students of beginners of optional math, trigonometry. Okay, and here, look here. I want to share some of the questions. The question goes like this. As we know, there are six trigonometric functions, okay, altogether, right? Here, number one, I want to share with that one, okay. First one is here sine, right? And this symbol indicates to the angle, okay, this theta. In place of this theta, there may be other also symbol, okay, alpha, beta, gamma, lambda, right? And other symbols will be used here. A, B, C, D also we use here, capital A, B, C, D till Z, right? And next one, trigonometric function is there, cos, right, theta. Another one is there, tan theta, okay. And next one is there, cot theta, right. And next one is there, sec theta. This is sec theta, okay. And finally, there is the sixth one, trigonometric function is that is, okay, cosec theta. Okay, these are the six trigonometric function that we use, okay, while reading the chapter trigonometry of optional math, right? These are the six trigonometric function, okay. And now look here, I want to share here their ratios now. These are the six trigonometric function, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second one I want to share with you what are the ratios, okay, this trigonometric ratios of this function. Look here, trigonometric function right here, trigono okay, trigonometric ratios, trigonometric ratios, okay, ratios. And for that, look here, we have to take the help of right angle triangle here. Look here, I want to draw here right angle triangle, and here the name for this, okay, Here I want to show you ratios, okay, by taking the help of this right angle triangle. This is suppose A vertex and this is B vertex, right? And this is C vertex, okay? Okay, now look here. This figure I want to draw again, right? Okay, here and here, this is 90-degree, right? And this vertex name is A, B, okay? And this is C, right? And suppose this angle, this look at this 90-degree, as we know that opposite side of this 90-degree is there. This is hypotenuse, okay? Right there, hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, okay? And we denote it by using h, right? And suppose this is given the angle of reference. Suppose this is the acute angle. Suppose this is theta given. Here is given one angle. In place of this theta, there may be angles also. We can 30, 45, 60 like this. Angles will be given there. Maybe 10 degree, 20 degree also. And its opposite side, the given acute angles opposite. This given acute angle is the reference angle, okay? And its opposite side will be this side, okay? This side is always here perpendicular, okay? We have to write this perpendicular right here. Perpendicular, okay? This is perpendicular right there, okay? This is perpendicular, right? Okay? This is perpendicular and we um, denote it by P, okay? This is small p here, right? And if this is perpendicular and this happens, this another side is taken as the base, right? We write this as a base. We write it as a base, right? Right here, base, and we denote it by small b here. Okay, this is the you know see here. This is base. Okay, right? We denote it by small b. Okay, this figure has become a little bit down. I want to draw it again, right? I want to draw here. Here, okay. Here I want to draw. Then it will be clear. And here I just told. Suppose this is A, right? And this is 90-degree here, and this is B vertex, right? And this is C, and this angle is given, acute angle is given, then that is called reference angle. This is theta, right? This is theta, and I just told that 90 opposite side is okay. It is hypotenuse, okay? It is hypotenuse, right? The hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, and we denote it by small h, right? And this given angles opposite side, that given angle is angle of reference. The given angle, this is here theta, and this side is known as perpendicular here. We have to write a perpendicular right here, perpendicular, okay? Perpendicular, that is perpendicular, okay? This L here, perpendicular, and we denote it by small p, this, okay? and this another side is taken as a base. Okay, this is base, and we denote it by small b. Okay, and now look here, what I want to say here, the ratios. When you make the ratios here, trigonometric ratios, okay, at the time, see here, this should be kept in mind. I want to share here the some technique to remember these ratios also, and that is first of all, look here, right here sine, right, sine theta, angle of reference, that we take sine theta. Okay, then right here cos theta, right here. Okay, cos theta. Another one, just take it as here tan theta here. This right like this in order. Okay, like this. Respectively write sine, then cos, then tan. Okay, then look here, I will tell you some technique. This is sign for sum. Okay, sum, people, right there, p for people, but actually its meaning is perpendicular. Some people have, okay, c for there is cos, but it's now for the memory. Okay, for to remember cos. Okay, some people have curly brown hair, right here, brown, and down right here. Okay, some people have curly brown hair. Then t for tan, but we have tried tone, permanently black. Okay, here is permanently black, right, like this, permanently black. Some people have curly brown hair, tone permanently black. This is the way to remember. And this is the ratio of sine. Sine means p by h, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos means base by hypotenuse. Tan means perpendicular by base. And just if you remember this, then we have to remember this other one. They will have reciprocal. Sine reciprocal will be cosec, right here, cosec, right? Cosec theta equals to just its reciprocal as by p, right? Similarly here, cos is b by s, then we have to write a sec, right here sec theta equals to reciprocal of course, then that is s by b, right here s by b, right here s by p, s by b. Okay, this base, and tan is p by b, then right here next one is cot. Okay, cot theta equals to, it will be there b by p, b by p. From here only we can identify the, look at, when you multiply this ratio and this ratio, what will come? When you multiply p by s with s by p, it will come 1. That's why product of sine theta and cosec theta will be 1. Similarly, when you multiply b by s and s by b, you will get 1. That's why product of cos theta and sec theta will be 1. Similarly, tan multiply with cot, then it will give 1, because they are reciprocal with each other. No? B and B cancel, P and P cancel. That's why tan and cot, when you multiply that, they will give the product 1. Okay, this is another relation we have to understand. Okay, now look here, I want to show you one thing there. Here, suppose this third thing. Okay, third one, this ratio, I think you will remember. Some people have curly brown hair, toned permanently black. Okay, and this sine reciprocal is cosec, cos reciprocal is sec, and tan reciprocal is cot. I hope you are clear about this. Okay, now I want to share the next question. Okay, next topic. What is that? Okay, look here, I want to share with you. I want to clear for this. Okay, that is third topic. Look here, the question is given there. Suppose there is given one question, is is tan theta, here is given, is tan theta, right? It in place of theta there may be beta also. Another symbol, tan theta equals to, given that suppose sin theta by cos theta, right here, cos theta, okay, sin theta by cos theta, if is tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta, okay, and this is tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta, and right there, give reason, give reason, give reason, give reason, here is one. Okay, here as we know that first this one how to do, look here, see, this is solution right here, solution, okay, and this is solution, and we have to write here, look here, we are checking this tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta or not. Just now I have told you there, okay, here look, I want to show you tan theta equals to, just now I had taught the ratio is here, p by b, tan theta equals p by b, we know perpendicular base, right? And look here, if we divide numerator and denominator, look here, this p also divide by h, okay, we are dividing numerator also by h, and denominator also we divide by h, okay, look here, it's denominator b, we can divide the numerator and denominator both by h, okay, here numerator is p by b, then in perpendicular also we can divide by h, right, and base also we can divide by h, because numerator and denominator both we can divide by h, right, same, by the same value, no, we have divided here also, we can write here also in symbol 1 right here, I'm writing this nr for numerator, okay, numerator, and look here, numerator, and for the denominator I'm writing shortcut this dr, right, denominator, numerator and denominator are divided by, okay, these both are divided, okay, numerator and denominator both are divided by, right here, divided by h, okay, then as we know this p by h is the p by h, okay, means perpendicular by hypotenuse is the ratio of what, we know that is just now I had told in previous one slide, that is the ratio of sine theta, right, p by s is, look, this one is the ratio of sine theta, and down one this b by s is the ratio of, b by s is the ratio of cos theta, right here, cos theta, okay, b by s is the ratio of cos theta, that's why, it's okay, this is correct, then right here, therefore tan theta is equals to, okay, sin theta by cos theta, it will be there, this relation is known as cosine relation, okay, this relation is known as cosine relation, because this value is obtained, by dividing, we have divided its numerator and denominator both, look, p also divided by h and b also divided by h, that's why this relation is known as cosine relation, okay, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta, like this we have to write, yes, it is the cosine relation, okay, this is known as cosine relation, you can write here, cosine relation, this is known as cosine relation of the trigonometric function, okay, this is known as cosine relation right there, This is known as quotient relation. Okay, this is the quotient relation of the trigonometric function. I hope you are clear about it. Here we have to take care about this one. Perpendicular also divided by h, base also divided by h, right? We find there the quotient relation. I hope you understood from here. And for the next day, I will come in live class by taking the next topic, okay, related to the maths. I hope you are clear about this quotient relation. Okay, bye bye today, and we will meet again. See you, okay, in the next class. Thank you very much.